Okay guys, day 2, and we're going to be doing a valid anagram. This one is simple. You just choose a hash map or a Python dictionary to compare the values. So first, we just want to check if they're even the same length. If length of s does not equal length of t, then return false. And we make our map as map t equal to dictionary, and we gotta loop through one of the strings. It doesn't matter which. Then we just want to add it. Map s is equal to 1 plus map s dot get. Put s that map t t equal 1 plus map t dot get t. Alright, so we added everything into our hash map. Now we just gotta compare if they're the same or not. So we can just do map as equal to map t, then it should work.